Aerodynamics has a huge effect on buses and other vehicles. Aerodynamics is the study of forces in objects in air and consists of lift, weight, thrust, and drag. However, in this experiment, we will be focusing mostly on drag. The way air travels over an object can make it easier for the object to move through the air, making things like buses more fuel efficient. Smooth surfaces and tapers on the front and back allow air to travel over an object more easily, allowing the object to travel through the air more easily. So, how does the shape and design of a bus affect its fuel efficiency? Well, if the bus's design was focused on reducing direct resistance from air and reducing pressure bubbles, then the bus would use less fuel. The materials include the models, the ramp, and the quarters used to weight the models. If we change a model's shape, its distance and speed will be affected. The control model was an unaltered block of wood. When all the models were cut, they were weighted and rolled down the ramp 20 times. Data was then gathered, and the data collected from the experiment was very interesting. This data shows that the control model went the shortest distance, the standard bus design went a bit further, and the two most aerodynamic models went the furthest out of all of them. The control model went the shortest distance, and the most aerodynamic model went almost double the distance. That's a huge increase in fuel efficiency. There was a slight decrease in speed from the control model to the most aerodynamic model. The tapers and smooth surfaces made it so that more aerodynamic models went further than the models that were not aerodynamically focused. So, aerodynamic design does affect vehicles. It makes them more fuel efficient. The project was not perfect. The ramp was rickety and may have skewed the speed data. A more aerodynamic bus would only cut off 1 to 2 rows of seats and save more fuel. Aerodynamic design could be used to save schools and public transport money and also helps the environment. In conclusion, aerodynamic design positively affects vehicles like buses and could be used to save money and help the environment. Small changes like this really do make a big difference.